Hey, we're Mike and Kathleen with woodshopmike.com, and today we've partnered with the Home Depot to update our outdated 90s master bedroom with one of our favorite tools, paint.
So let's take a look at all the details we're getting ready to fix. So these walls are builder grade paint that have seen much better days. Lots of scuff marks, lots of holes from previous owners. We'll also be painting over this honey oak trim to give it a nice modern look with fresh white paint, as well as adding baseboards at the bottom that'll be a coordinating white color.
To pick a color for this project, we used Home Depot's ProjectColor App. Simply snap a photo of your space and tap to instantly see what it'll look like painted. We love this app so much, we made a separate video all about it, so go ahead and click that link to see more. We headed out to our local Home Depot to grab all of our supplies, and while we were there, we checked out their color center. They've put together brochures with curated color palettes and top trending colors you can't go wrong with. This makes it easy to get the look you want without the hours of research. They've even got an easy way to locate the paint chips you're looking for. Just search the name, grab the chip, and you're ready for paint. Do you find a color that you love in store but you wonder how to look in your space? That's easy. Just use your ProjectColor app in store to see exactly how it'll look so you feel confident that you can buy.
Now I'm going to caulk the window frames and door frames. The product I'm using is the Alex Flex Caulk by DAP. Okay, so that's a very quick and easy step, but it really makes the finished paint job look a lot better when everything's done. Okay, so the room is all prepped and ready to paint. I've taped off the ceiling, I've taken off all the electrical covers, I've fixed all the dents and dings with spackle, so now we're ready to get rolling. all the walls are painted, it's time to get started installing the baseboards and the quarter round. Now all the trim is ready to paint, and before we put on our actual paint, we're going to prime first because this is pine trim, and the problem with that is pine has a lot of tannins in it, and typically you'll get some bleed through if you don't use a good high quality primer first. So I'm using Ben 123 primer by Zinsser, and this goes on really streaky, so don't worry if it doesn't look beautiful. The primer is really just there to help the paint to adhere well to your surface. So we're all wrapped up with painting our room. Let's take a look at how it turned out.
So we ended up selecting Battleship Gray by Behr for the wall color in this room using the ProjectColor app, and it turned out exactly the way that it looked on the app. So the next time you're in the market for new paint, make sure you download that free app and you'll be able to see exactly how your room will look before you invest. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Oh, you're still there. Awesome. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, I got another one queued up for you right here. And if you want other awesome content from me, check out those. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like and subscribe. And until next time, have fun making something.